Hello and welcome back. Once again, you've come to this channel to look for ways to make money online. We're always on the lookout for new ways to make money online, and we put in a lot of effort and thorough research to ensure that not only we will be able to make money online, but we'll also be able to do so in the simplest way possible. I am well aware that there are a wide variety of different opportunities to earn. However, the way that I shall demonstrate today is quite simple. It's so simple that you've probably been doing it for a long time without even realizing it. I'm referring to watching videos on the internet. I know it seems crazy, but it is truly possible for you to earn money simply by watching videos. And it all starts right here. Watch this video and stick with me till the end so I can show you how to do it, and so that by the time that you are done watching and starting to do this method, it will just be a piece of cake. Aside from the fact that I'll be walking you through the process, if you continue watching this video, I will show you some additional tips and other tricks for doubling or even tripling your current source of income. This method that I will introduce to you is accessible worldwide. Even if you are on the other part or other side of the world, you can still do this. You only need a smartphone and a laptop to start off. You don't need any special skills or past experiences. Even a beginner can do this and can earn money right away. And have I told you that this method is 100% free? You do not need to pay for a subscription to start off with this method, and all you need is to invest a little bit of your time and energy, and you are good to go. The next time you're considering making a purchase, you won't have to worry about whether or not you'll have enough money because you'll be earning money on a consistent basis, almost every hour. Now just sit back and relax, watch the video closely, and pay full attention, because if you don't and miss one important step, then this method will not work as intended. Let me remind you that this method will not make you a millionaire overnight. You still need to do the hard work and devote part of your time to this method, but considering that this method is free, then this is totally worth it. Then let's get started now. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website we will be using today is called ZoomBucks.com. Either just search it on Google or type the website address on the address bar of your browser. On ZoomBucks, you can do a variety of things. You can complete surveys, watch videos, and do other offers, and they will pay you once you have successfully finished it. You can earn money here in multiple ways. In addition to paying you, this is a reputable and trustworthy website since it offers gift cards from a variety of well-known companies such as iTunes, Google Play, Amazon, Netflix, Walmart, and other big names. If you want to know the gift cards they offer, just click on the Your Rewards section located here and just scroll down to see all of the available gift cards. How does this website work? It is very simple. Advertisers from around the world use this website to obtain engagements for their surveys, products, and services. Then the website will find suitable members willing to get paid for completing various actions. Then the chosen members will then take the surveys, complete the offers, watch videos to increase the engagements. The members will then be paid with cash and gift cards. What we're going to do today is do these surveys, offers, and watch videos to earn money. As previously said, there are several methods to profit from this website. However, for the sake of this video, we will just simply concentrate on viewing videos because this is something that you already do on a daily basis, and because it will pay you the most money with the least amount of efforts. Before we get started, I want to say something. Allow me to walk you through the process and demonstrate how you can earn money. First and foremost, you must register and complete your profile. This simply indicates that you will need to register for a new account. Second, they offer a large number of channels with a variety of diverse videos from which you may choose one that interests you. You can then begin watching the videos in the third step, but keep in mind that you must view the entire video in order to earn money. Fourth step, you will then begin earning and accumulating points. Fifth, You can choose to change between channels, which ensures that you can always be able to discover videos to watch. Finally, you may pay out your points for cash or gift cards depending on your preference. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now, starting on the first step, you can immediately sign up on the homepage. Just fill out this form with your email address and password and hit the Sign Up Now button. If you want this process to be faster, you can sign up using your Google account or with your Facebook account. If you choose to sign up using your very own email address, there will be another or additional form that you need to complete. In this form, you need to put your gender, your birthday, full name, address, and country that you live in. After you complete the form, you can just click on the Complete Sign Up button at the bottom, and you now have your account. You can see how much money you can potentially earn once you've signed into your account, as well as how much money other users have already earned, which can range from $200 to even $500. It is also possible for you to earn these numbers as long as you continue watching videos. And if you run out of videos to watch, you don't need to be concerned because new videos will be available on a daily basis. To get started, on the left part of your dashboard, click on the Watch option and it will present you with two more options where you can watch videos. Just click on either one and you will be redirected to another page. This page will show you what type of videos you can watch. They are categorized as food, DIY, and random videos. On the right side of the category, you can see how much points you can earn from watching these types of videos. Now you can just click on any category that you would like. Once you do that, you will be brought to another website where you will need to sign up again. Just put all the necessary details and sign up for a new account. This is important because if you don't do this, then you will not earn money since you need to have an account so that they can record how much videos you've watched. Now for the bonus tip, you can watch tons of videos at a time by simply opening videos on different tabs and playing them all together at the same time. You then want to lower the volume or just mute the video so you don't develop a headache while everything is playing all at the same time. If you have a slow internet connection, then you can simply adjust the quality of the video so that it will not stutter or buffer and it will play continuously. To do that, just click on the gear icon and set the quality to 144p. The video will be a little pixelated, but it will play smoothly and will not stop. You may view as many videos as you want without having to worry about slowing down your computer's performance because of this. Now, just accumulate a lot of points, and when you have earned enough, you can convert those points into cash or gift cards and cash them out. And if you have a little or more spare time in your day, you can answer surveys or do offers. Just click on the survey option or the offer option on your dashboard and start doing them. It will let you earn from 85 cents up to $5 or $10. It's not much, but it is still money earned. And that is a very simple way to earn money online just by using one website. Now go ahead and try it and let us know how it went for you. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.